do you usually get clients?
Ang top 1 question lagi sa akin is saan ako kumukuha ng client. Please keep in mind that I have been doing this for over 15 years. So talagang meron na akong pool ng clients that I have been working with on and off for the past couple of years. Meron na rin ako mga clients na naka-retainer, meron din akong VA agency. Pero kung sisimulan ko ulit yung journey ko, saan ako maghahanap ng client? There are 3 ways to find clients as a freelance. Number 1 would be through platforms. Number 2 is through VA agencies. And number 3 is by finding direct client. Para sa akin, na pinakamadali obviously is VA agency. Because sa VA agency, ipasa mo lang yung recruitment process nila, makasama ka sa pool nila, sila na maghahanap ng clients para sa'yo at sila na rin ang maniningil. So sasahod ka na lang. VA agency provides this safety cushion na someone is there to guide you, someone is there to help you, someone is there to train you, and at the end of the day, hindi ikaw ang problema sa operational side. Kumbaga, gagawin mo na lang yung trabaho mo, sa sahod ka. If you want me to provide you like an updated list of VA agencies that I find interesting, kung mag-a-apply ulit ako, so i-comment nyo na lang dyan. But let's proceed to the next step, which is online marketplace or platform. Pag tinanong ako ano yung mga platforms na ginagamit ko ngayon, I would say Upwork, Online Jobs, LinkedIn. May bagong papasok ngayon ClickPost. Sabihin nyo sa akin sa comment section kung alin dito yung mga gusto nyo i-discuss. So ClickPost, I also found VPM solution. Pero hindi pa ako nakakalad ng client doon. Hindi ako wala na talaga akong time mag-practice, mag-in-apply. Huy! One of the challenges kapag diretso ka sa mga platforms is you need to know kung magkano na yung isisingilin mo. Kailangan marunong kang maningil kung hindi siya naka-early sa Upwork. And medyo mas malaki na yung risk because dito na ngayon papasok, kailangan marunong ka nang tumingin ng red flag. And then last but definitely not the least, at pinakamalaking risk, kumbaga, pero malaki din yung return, is kung matuto kang maghanap ng direct clients. So meron akong tinuturo na client for me. Ito ay para doon sa mga handa na talaga na sila na yung client facing na sila na yung makikipag-discovery call. Kayo na yung maniningil. Kayo na yung magpapatakbo ng buong operations nyo. And this is the last step para maging ready ka para magtayo na ng sarili mong mini VA agency kung yun yung goal mo. Dito rin maraming nagkakaroon ng mga pagkakamali when it comes to mga paano yung under the table na outsourcing. So kung magsisimula ulit ako, I would probably start by trying out platforms and trying out VA agencies. Yung dalawa muna. At least yung risk nun minimal, pero more effort ka pagdating sa platform. Dito, kailangan din simulan mo muna yung iyong skill inventory because with skill inventory, you'd be able to tap into different industries. Kapag alam mo kung yung service na ino-offer mo, kapag alam mo kung yung problem ng business na sinusolusyonan mo with your services, mas madali kang makakahanap ng clients. However, it's a process. At ang unang-unang kailangan mo munang isiksik sa sarili mo, kailangan palagi mong tatandaan that rejection is actually normal. Typical na every single day may magno-no sa'yo, nasa sa'yo na lang yun kung paano mong tatanggapin and how you will work on developing pa your skill set. If you want me to talk more about yung 3 ways on how to find clients like step by step, i-comment nyo na lang para alam ko lang kung ano yung nasang stage na ba kayo ng paghahanap nyo ng clients. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!